Hi all, this is Yunus. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I just want to give you some sense of how many cyber attacks happen in AWS data centers on a daily basis. So to see that, there is already a global threat dashboard which is given by AWS. Just go to WAF, Web Application Firewall, click on this and come down. Under Shield, you can see Global Threat Dashboard. Click on that. And it gives the global map. And you can see these red circles, right? The size of the circle or the diameter of the circle is more in the regions where the number of attacks is more. For example, you can see that in California, US West 1 and US West 2, the number of cyber attacks which happens is huge. So if you look at the right side, it says that in last 2 weeks, 241,000 attacks happened. And there are a few other details which are given, a largest packet attack, largest bit rate, etc. Yeah, wherever more economic activity is happening, wherever more important customers are there, I think in such places, the attack is actually more. So in some of the other regions, the number of attacks is actually comparatively less. And if you want to see last 3 days data, that also you can see. And if you want to know hour-wise, in a specific hour, how many attacks have happened, you can see that as well. And if you go to last 2 weeks, you can see that on August 10th, the maximum number of attacks happened. There may be some specific reason for that. And there are a few other graphs as well which are given. Okay, so I just wanted to familiarize you with Global Threat Dashboard, which actually gives you details about how many cyber attacks happened in AWS data centers in the past few days. AWS is monitoring and mitigating. So AWS has already mitigated it, so you don't need to worry about this. But then AWS is transparently giving this data to its customers. Okay, so that's it about this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll come back with more useful videos. Thank you. Bye.